What's going on, guys? It's Shooting Dave, and today we're going on a road trip. So I have always wanted to rent a Dodge Challenger, and we've got a Dodge Challenger RT. That's right, a 5.7 litre Hemi from the American collection from Hertz. This is the car I've always wanted a road trip in, and I finally got it. So, what are we doing? Well, our road trip starts here in downtown LA, and we're going to go all the way out to Las Vegas. We're going to stop at a few different spots and show you guys the cool spots to stop at on your road trip from LA to Vegas. And in a future video, if that wasn't good enough, we're actually going to do the reverse. So from Las Vegas down to LA, we're going to show you some even more cool spots. Good car. So I've always wanted to come to El Mirage. It's a dried up lake bed just northeast of Los Angeles, sorry. It is scorching hot out here. So what are we doing out here? Well, we've come out here to take some photographs of the car and just really have a look around. There's a lot of cool guys over there on the ATVs and UTVs and stuff like that, which looks lots of fun. But yeah, not a bad spot. I mean, there's literally nothing in the background. The camera struggles to focus on it. Man, it's warm. Right, let's take some photos. Our second stop is the abandoned Minimart. It's a cool little spot. There's not much to do or see here, but it's just nice to see old abandoned buildings in old America. This is like the old Route 66 route, so it's kind of nice to be here and see some of those historical landmarks set up. And a massive trains going past. That is huge! Not bad, is it?
It's long. Made me jump it.
I wonder how long it's going to go on for. Our next spot is Elmers Bottle Tree Ranch. What do you think?
It's definitely very different. It's cool.
So it's like a ranch made with all these like art installations made out of bottles. It's definitely the weird and wonderful side of America.
Yeah.
I'm kind of into it. It would make like a sick location for a photo shoot. So definitely one to check out if you're on your way from LA to Las Vegas. One other thing about this place, it's actually free to enter. Oh, I nearly fell over a plank. Yeah, it's free to get in here, so it's actually definitely worthwhile stopping off at. It's now time to leave Elmers Bottle Tree Ranch.
And we're going to head to Peggy Sue's 50s Diner.
Starving. So we're at Calico Ghost Town. What do you think of it?
It's really cute.
Yeah, I mean, I know it's definitely an abandoned mine and partially an abandoned mining town, but something tells me that the rest of this is built for a theme park or those kind of purposes.
Yeah. It's still cute though.
It's super cute, yeah, yeah.
It's still really cute and quaint.
Yeah, I mean, and the surrounding areas are incredible, and it's definitely worth coming out because you've got some pretty amazing views just behind us over here, which I'm not sure what we're looking over, but it looks pretty cool anyway.
Yeah, and it's like cute to walk around. It's good to break up the journey.
Yeah.
I definitely recommend it.
But right now we need some air conditioning because it is hot as balls out here.
So hot.
Back to the car. Not a bad view. That's the Mojave Desert right out here. And this is ZZYZX Road, or Zix Road, or however you're supposed to pronounce it. I think it used to be an old like spa or swimming baths, but I think it's kind of been abandoned or shut down. There's an abandoned road that we came down for about 5-10 miles. But it's an awesome spot. It's really beautiful. I just wish I could get the car in here because this pool here would be amazing for like taking photographs across. But anyway, we're gonna go and explore. It's pretty nice around here. What do you think?
Beautiful. I mean, this is insane.
Yeah. Well, we can't get the car in. We can get some photos of Amy, can't we? Don't fool. I wonder what all these cute buildings were. That one says main building. I reckon this must have been a spa, or at least a holiday retreat. Okay, so it used to be a spring watering hole for the native Indians that used to come here and rest on their travels. However, in the late 1940s, they actually opened this up as a health resort, hence all the buildings that we saw earlier. That closed in the mid-70s. So, kind of a shame it's not in operation, because I should imagine it would have been beautiful to stay here. I would have loved to have seen sunset and sunrise for that matter, because the surrounding areas are just incredible. So, also, there's no other town, so I should imagine you would have been able to see a whole blanket of stars at night. Can you imagine? That'd be amazing. I mean, come on, who doesn't want to try alien jerky? Amy, are you in? You're going to try some, aren't you?
I'll give it a go.
Ah, come on, let's go and get some. I ain't saying anything. So a popular spot is definitely the alien jerky. So what everyone wants to know is, does it actually taste like alien, or what does alien jerky taste like? Find out soon.
So Dave, what's it taste like?
Out of this world. It tastes like beef jerky. That is the world's largest thermometer, and it's 108 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hot, hot, hot.
Well, according to my car, it's 106 Fahrenheit.
Well, you can't argue with the world's largest thermometer.
No, but this is arguably the world's most powerful thermometer. So we've come to the 7 Magic Mountains. They're pretty sick, and we've not come alone. There's a lot of people here. It's just off the I-15. We actually missed our stop, which was a bit annoying, but doesn't matter. You can still get back to it. It's pretty lovely here. I mean, we've come at sunset, or just after sunset rather, and I think the light's pretty perfect. You've got this like lovely, like dark and moody clouds above. There was over there like a little dust storm or something. That was pretty cool, and it looked like there's a downpour over the mountains in the background. That was pretty sick. Gutted we kind of missed it. We saw it as we were driving towards us. But this is somewhere Amy's always wanted to come.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is like, go on.
So I found it on Instagram and I pinned it, and I said to Dave, as we're driving to Vegas, please can we stop? Pretty much begged him. So really excited. We're going to go do some pictures. I've also got my Polaroid, so I can get some Polaroid snaps of it, as it's not too, the sun's not going to ruin the snaps.
No.
And then hopefully get that perfect Instagram shot.
Exactly, and I think this display was only supposed to be up for 2 years or so.
I'm sure I read when I was doing some research on it, it was only till 2017.
Yeah, so it's still here. Like if you're looking to come out to Vegas in 2019, it's still here, so you can actually come and see it if you want to.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I'm
photo
excited
time.
to go explore.
Yeah. See you in a bit. That concludes Magic Mountains, or the 7 Magic Mountains for us. Next stop is
Vegas.
Vegas, baby!